Okay, in the last video we looked at how we could make a basic bottle, drinking bottle, by using a circle as a starting point and then extruding it. Another way that you can make bottle shapes is by basically drawing the silhouette of a bottle. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So I'm going to go again for a new sketch. This time I'm going to draw it on a side, so I'm going to choose this plane here, and I'm going to basically use a straight line tool to start with. So I'm going to basically say I'm going to use a normal line, and from this point here I'm going to click once and I'm going to come out, and this time I'm going to come out 30 mil, and I'm going to say escape, and I'm going to draw another line from the same point. This time I'm going to come upwards. You can see you get a readout as you go along of the dimension and of the angle, so 90 degrees is fine for what I want, but height, I'm going to make my height 210. So I'm going to press enter a few times. So now the top of my line is up here. I'm going to put another line on again from the starting point here. I'm going to come across and I'm going to make this one 25. Press enter, and I'm going to do one more line of this style, and I'm going to come down from here and I'm going to come down 30. So I might type in 30 to get it more accurate, and press enter. Okay, so what I've got is I've got the outline of a bottle. So this is going to be the base, this is going to be the neck, but I need to join them together to make a kind of bottle shape. So I'm still in my sketch mode. I'm going to go for a different type of sketch now. I'm going to go for an arc, and I'm going to do what's called a 3-point arc. So basically it's going to say you want the start point, the end point, and then a middle point. So my start point is going to be here. My end point is going to be, I think, about there, and then I'm going to decide on a curve, so something maybe like that will do. And I'm going to use the same tool again. I'm going to go start, I'm going to go finish, and this time I'm going to bring it, make it interesting. I'll put an internal curve this way and click OK. Now you can see as soon as I did that, this filled in with a colour. So it knows that this is a sealed shape all the way round, all the points joined together. I'm going to stop my sketch there, and I'm going to use a tool called Revolve. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to look for Revolve, which is this one. Click on Revolve, and it's asking me for two things. It wants to know my profile and my axis. So I'm going to do my axis first. The axis is the line that I want to revolve around, which is this one. So I'm going to click that one. Then I'm going to go to the profile, and I'm going to select this one, and you can see it's saying on here, do I want to go 360 degrees, which I do. So I do want to go all the way around. So if I just move this into a three-dimensional view so you can see it, it's created that bottle from that profile. So I am happy with that, and I'm going to click OK. So that's another way of drawing a bottle shape. Now, one thing I'd like to draw your attention to now is that at any point you can still come back to your original sketch and you can change it. So if I came back down to here and I right clicked and I say edit sketch, it was just off the screen there, but it's jumped back into my sketch. So if I decided I wanted to move something, perhaps I wanted to move this point here to make that a slightly different shape, now when I hit stop sketch, it goes back and you can see it's updated the shape of that bottle. So even if you do something and you think maybe you wanted a different dimension later, you can go back and change it by affecting things on this timeline down here.